Welcome to Elldy. Before creating a basket, let's understand how Elldy organizes and governs business data. Elldy follows a structured data governance framework that helps organizations manage, organize, and prepare data for analytics. The framework consists of four key components: business, department, basket, and data sets. A business represents your organization and establishes ownership of data. Departments organize data according to business functions such as HR, finance, sales, operations, or analytics. Baskets act as centralized containers for related datasets and data sources. Datasets are the actual files, databases, and business information used for analysis and reporting. Together, these components create a governed and organized data environment. Now, let's create your first basket in Elldy. First, navigate to the Settings page. You can access Settings using the search bar or by clicking the Settings icon in the navigation bar. In the Business Profile section, enter your business name, business contact number, and business address. Next, complete the Workspace administrator information. Enter the administrator name, contact number, and email address. Once all information has been entered, click Save Business Connection. Your business environment is now configured and ready. Next, create a department. Open the Departments page from the sidebar. Select your business, enter the department name, set the status to Active. Departments help organize data based on business functions. For example, a hospital may have administration, pharmacy, laboratory, and billing departments. A company may have HR, sales, finance, operations, and analytics departments. Click Save Department to continue. Now let's create a basket. Return to the home page or search for Create Basket. A basket is a centralized workspace used to organize and manage datasets for a specific department or business function. For example, HR data can be stored in an HR basket. Sales data can be stored in a sales basket. To create a basket, enter a basket name, select the connected business, then click Create Basket. Your basket has now been created successfully. Click View Basket to access your basket.